Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you have never been here before, special welcome to you. I know there are a few people that might not be used to my channel. I am regularly a makeup channel, go figure. I am doing a shoe unboxing today. I got I know you can't really see it, but in my lights you'll be able to. These are the bronze 56K men's chalk white collab basketball Answer IVs. So the bronze 56K apparently is a company in New York, based out of New York. I don't know too much about the deets, but they are a skateboarding company. Sounds pretty cool. They're into a whole bunch of stuff. I've looked up a few websites on them, but I don't know a whole lot about it. I'm from outside of Baltimore. Well, I live outside of Baltimore, so it's not like my area of expertise. But when I saw these shoes that we're gonna open up here, you know what? Let me pull this camera back just a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. I am dealing with a issue with my camera right now, so it's new and I don't know how to zoom. So whenever you open up the box, they look like this. I know you can't see too much, I apologize. This is going to be the left shoe, and right here you have a 4, a 5, and a 6. And my fiance is one of the biggest AI fans I know, which would be Allen Iverson. And he couldn't figure out what 4, 5, 6 meant. And I said, that's 56K and these are Answer IVs. That's why it's 4, 5, 6. So that's why it says 4, 5, 6, I think. But there are 2 sets of dice, 1 set on each side of the zipper. This right here is leather. It's like a pebbled gray leather. If you look at the white rubber, you'll see why the gray, or why the leather looks gray. It actually would look white if this wasn't so bright, but it really does look gray. It's like pebbled leather. It's beautiful. If you go to like the foot box of the shoe, it has this, like, I'm gonna call it camel brown rubber that comes up and goes up. Then we go around to the side. It has this rubber right here that goes up. We have an I3, and then all this indentation in here. It's really beautiful. Then you wrap around to the back of the shoe, and I believe right across here on this little rubber strip, it says bronze. And then down here on the bottom on this little camel piece, there's a Reebok symbol. And then you have your little tag up top. It is just a plain white pull tag for you to pull the shoe on. Then we go around. It's pretty much the same on both sides. So you wrap around that way and it looks, like I said, pretty much the same as the other side. Except on this side, the leather, or the camel on the bottom, comes up right here and says DMX. Let me show you guys that closer. If you look at the tongue, I'm gonna take this. This is a little hard, just so you guys know. The zipper is a little hard to get down. Now this is just lacing from the company. I got these straight from the company. I barely touched them. You have a little leather piece that comes across the top. It has a Reebok symbol, and then it says bronze. And then you have this burnt orange and royal blue stripe, which is the bronze 56K colors, which is why my eyes are done this way, because I'm like that. But the tongue is canvas, right? Canvas or a really, 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 really fine netting. It would be either a really thin canvas or a really fine netting that's really thick. So I don't know which one of the two it is, but that's the only way I can describe the fabric right here. And then on the inside, let me get this tag out and get my things out. This is like a giant pillow. Honestly, it really feels like a pillow inside these shoes. These are 7.5s. There is the orange and blue B for bronze 56K. Then if you, let me fix these because it's gonna get on my nerves because I'm like that. If you go over to the bottom of the shoes, they have a Reebok symbol right here. You go down a little further. This is the regular I3 for Allen Iverson. And then right here it says only the strong survive, which is Allen Iverson saying. Then right here you have the bronze 56KB with the helium inside. The helium inside is a regular thing with Allen Iverson's shoes, whether you get answers or questions, which are the two different types of shoes he makes normally. He does have others that are random, but they're kind of rare. So I don't know really what else to say about the shoes. If you didn't notice, I do want to point out one thing that I forgot to point out. This does have the bronze 56K and Reebok paper. Mine came with a little rip in it, which annoys me, but it is what it is. Let me show you both of them. And then I'm going to show you one compared to another size. So these are what both of mine look like. They are absolutely stunning. And if you guys didn't know this about me, I collect dice. So that is really, really cool. This is the right shoe, just as beautiful in all its glory. Let me set this one back down real quick. Okay, and while I'm here, let me grab this. Okay, now for all you guys out there, and I have both right shoes. This is a size 12 compared to a size 7.5. Way, way, way bigger here. They're lined up perfectly in the back now, as you can see. Much larger, but this is what my foot looks like compared to my fiance's foot. These shoes are $160 compared to the standard $140 for the Allen Iverson shoes. Because they're a special collab, they're more. These shoes were announced about a week ago. If you look on, if you pull up here on YouTube, the bronze 56K and then put in Iverson, you'll see that they were just announced 1 week ago. And I have them here at home already, which is a miracle. They announced these shoes, and as soon as they announced them, when they said they were going to be on the website, I was on there at 12 o'clock midnight, and I got both pairs. I had to do it in 2 separate orders because Reebok.com won't let you buy more than 1 pair in 1 order. So I had to buy his first because his sell out first, even though they're still available in lots of sizes on Reebok.com, which I'm a little surprised about. But these shoes were a really quick release. There wasn't a lot of an announcement on the streets about this, so not too many people got their hands on these yet. So I'm pretty proud to have them. And this, the feeling of the dice it almost feels like plastic. Like they did such a good job with the stitching. It feels amazing. And even like here on the tongue, like they did such a good job. I have never in my life been a Reebok person until my fiance got me wearing Allen Iverson shoes. And I've never liked basketball. I've never been into any of this stuff. And I'm starting to get a little bit bigger into the sneaker world. I watch videos on it, things like that. But I've never been, other than wanting to have sneakers to have cool kicks, like that's the only reason I ever got into sneakers. I never did it just because of the beauty in shoes. And there really is a lot of beauty in shoes. These are a work of art. And the collab is beautiful. Okay, I just noticed this on his size 12. And I'm going to show you guys this real quick. Really, really small right here. It was so small on my shoes, I didn't even notice. It says non-marking outsole. So this outsole, the white, is supposed to not get marks on it. Now, we'll see how long that lasts. Well, no, we won't, because these shoes won't see the light of day too often. But, and anytime a mark gets on them, they'll probably be cleaned within 5 minutes. So, that's just kind of how it is. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching me unbox this pair of 7.5s and me show you guys these size 12s. I said 12.5 before, but they're not 12.5, they're 12s. They're just a standard size 12. I'm sorry about that. So you did get a peek in on 2 different sizes of these, and they're very pretty, very beautiful, very nice, tight, right, whatever you want to call them. I'm just really glad that you came to my channel and checked this unboxing out. Thank you so much, and let me know down in the comments, you know, if you have anything to say. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next release. All right, bye guys.